Indie Ingenuity, where resourcefulness meets cutting-edge AI. Think only big studios can make games with groundbreaking AI. Think again. The indie game scene is bursting with creativity. Small teams are using AI in incredible ways. They are pushing boundaries. They're showing the world what's possible. Get ready to be amazed. Indie developers are known for their ingenuity. They often work with limited budgets and small teams, but they always find clever solutions. AI is a game changer for these resourceful creators. It's a powerful tool that levels the playing field. Imagine creating expansive worlds without a huge team of artists, or crafting complex enemy behaviors without writing thousands of lines of code. AI makes these things possible, and indie developers are at the forefront of this revolution. In the next sections, we'll dive into the exciting world of AI and indie games. We'll explore how this technology is changing the way games are made, and we'll see how it's giving rise to experiences we never thought possible. Get ready to be inspired. Leveling the playing field. How AI empowers small studios. For years, advanced AI seemed out of reach for small studios. But now, AI is changing the game. AI tools are becoming more accessible. Now they can compete with bigger studios. AI is a game changer for small teams. AI can also help with testing. It can find bugs and glitches. This is a huge advantage for small studios. The future of indie games is bright, and AI is a big part of that. A world without limits. Procedural generation and infinite replayability. Imagine a game world that's different every time you play. A world that's vast and unpredictable. That's the power of procedural generation, and AI is making it even better. Procedural generation uses algorithms. These algorithms create game content automatically. This can be anything from levels to quests to items. AI takes this to the next level. It adds a layer of intelligence and variation. Take the game Noita, for example. Every pixel in Noita is simulated. The environment reacts realistically to your actions. This creates emergent gameplay. You'll never have the same experience twice. Another great example is Spelunky 2. It uses AI to create challenging levels. Each playthrough is unique. This keeps the game fresh and exciting. You'll want to keep coming back for more. AI-powered procedural generation is a game changer. It allows indie developers to create massive worlds. Worlds that would be impossible to build by hand. And it ensures that players always have something new to discover. The AI Dungeon Master. Crafting dynamic narratives with AI. Games have always relied on stories. They draw us in. They make us care. But what if the story could change based on our choices? That's the promise of narrative AI. And it's already a reality in some indie games. AI can create branching storylines and adapt to the player's actions. This creates a truly dynamic experience. Every playthrough is unique. AI Dungeon is a great example of this. The AI will generate a response. This creates endless possibilities. Another game pushing boundaries is Facade. It features interactive drama. The AI characters respond to your choices, creating a realistic and engaging experience. Narrative AI is still in its early stages, but has the potential to revolutionize storytelling in games. Indie developers are leading the way, experimenting and creating games that blur the line between story and gameplay. Breaking new ground. Indie studios as pioneers in AI game development. Indie developers are known for their innovation. They aren't afraid to experiment. They don't have to answer to big publishers. This makes them perfect for exploring new technologies like AI. Indie studios are small and agile. They can quickly adapt to new trends. They can take risks that bigger companies wouldn't dare. This allows them to push the boundaries of game design. Many indie developers are open source enthusiasts. They share their code and tools. This fosters a collaborative spirit. It helps to advance the field of AI in games. The indie scene is a hotbed of creativity. It's where new ideas are born, and AI is fueling this fire. It's giving indie developers the power to create truly groundbreaking experiences. In the next section, we'll issue a call to action. We'll encourage you to explore the world of AI in indie games. You won't be disappointed. The future of indie, a call to explore and create. The indie game scene is thriving. AI is playing a big role in this. It's giving small studios the tools to compete. It's enabling them to create innovative and unforgettable games. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the games we play. The future of indie game development is bright, and it's powered by AI. Now it's your turn. Go explore the world of AI in indie games. Support these talented developers. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to create something amazing yourself. Possibilities are endless. Let's play. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who benefit from it. Let's keep leveling up together.